Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm sorry I'm laughing, but I just heard my I don't know what happened. Sorry, that's a hiccup. Oh, Ginger, what's up? She would just like, right?
Oh yeah.
Ginger, Teddy, get out of the camera, guys.
She knew we were recording.
Oh, anyway, she made the recording. So right now I'm gonna make cinnamon raisin bagel.
Oh yeah.
I pre-toasted her a little bit, but I'm gonna put some cheesy egg, scrambled cheesy egg, inside a cinnamon raisin bagel. It smells really good. I'm gonna put it on toast again. So it's the second time toasting.
Toasted on what?
On two.
On two, got
But
it.
I did it twice.
All right,
The
twice.
first time, that was before we came live.
So two twice.
Two twice.
Two twice.
You'll see. I don't want to get it burned. So if I hear it burning or anything like that, you know what?
Burn it up, burn it up.
And then I'm gonna put one egg. That's for my husband. Can you move, Michael, so I can put salt on that?
Oh, yeah. Ooh, popping.
And what do you put?
Salt and pepper.
A little salt.
And a little pepper.
That shit on high. Sorry. Oops. Sorry. Did I say that? Didn't mean to. Don't be looking at me sideways, Michael. You know my son Michael, guys, always looking at me sideways.
Yeah, it's because of my crooked eye.
You don't have a crooked eye. Why you gotta say you got a crooked eye?
I do.
Why you lying?
I'm not lying.
He doesn't have a crooked. Put the camera on me.
Yeah.
He likes to lie. Now you're gonna have to show people what you look like because
One day.
people saying that you have a crooked eye. I have no kids with no crooked eye. So he just made that crap up. I don't know who's making that up.
Oh, look at that.
I don't have no kids with no crooked eye.
Look
All
at
my
that,
kids have
look
really
at
nice
that.
eyes and straight eyes. My daughter Jennifer has straight eyes. And my other son, Junior, oh, that one, he was born with a little bit of a lazy eye, but we got it fixed when he was 4 years old, but that's it. So all my kids have straight eyes like me, like my husband. Michael, you got straight eyes.
I'm a cyclops. I only got one eye.
Okay, so anyway, so we fry this egg. We're going to put some cheese like that on the top.
Oh, so you put it right in the pan.
Yeah.
So it cooks right away.
Yeah.
Instead of putting it on the bagel.
I'm going to put a lot, you see? And I'm going to lower this.
Lower to what?
Burn.
Who was on it before? It was
on
2?
yeah,
On
an
8?
Like
Okay,
that.
got it.
Look. See how it is?
Yes.
I'm turning it off.
Turn it
Look at
off,
that
turn
bagel.
it
It's still cooking.
off.
Flip it upside down.
Don't worry, I'll watch
You
it.
know, oh, look at this bagel.
Oh, it's beautiful. Wait, let me
Doesn't
see.
burn or anything. Look at that.
Ooh, crispy, just how we like it.
Toast it. You know what I'm gonna do, right?
Put it
Now
on,
you see how
put
that
it
cheese is? Look
on.
at the cheese.
Oh, yeah.
You put it upside down. That's what happens.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna cover it like that.
Oh, yes.
I'm gonna cut it.
Yes.
You guys know this is for my husband, right, guys?
Cut it up, cut it up.
It's so hot, Mike. Ouch. Wait. Me do
Go ahead, Mama. You can do it.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, wait, let me see.
Ah.
Oh.
Well, let me get a plato. Let me get a plato.
Oh. Beautiful.
Like that, and let's give him his coffee. Put the coffee up in there. I put the creamer already. Put the creamer in the microwave. Warm it up.
Warm it up,
And
warm
now,
it up.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this. Check this out, guys.
Ooh. Oh.
You guys just see. See? So you put. Can you back up, Michael?
Back up a little.
I'm gonna slap you one of these days. Him always on top of me like that. But look, okay. Now we're gonna do this because by doing this.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Huh? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, it tastes good.
Delicioso.
I put a little one.
Wow, you mixed it about 50 times.
Yeah. 'Cause you see,
Make sure you do it 51.
It'll taste more restaurant-like.
Oh.
And this is cheesy egg on a cinnamon raisin.
Bring on over.
And I'm gonna put it over there now for a second. Hold on, Mike.
Beautiful.
Your dad's breakfast, cheesy egg with café con leche, which is milk and coffee, or just like coffee, light and cream. And here you go, Michael. and it's delicious. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy that. It was kind of like something very easy, but you can get any bagels. They're two for $1 at the supermarket, and 1 egg and a little bit of cheese. And I make this delicious breakfast for my husband. So I hope you guys like it and make it for yourself. You guys are going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and like us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we have a bell that I need you guys to ring it. You know what I'm saying? And like ring it. That way, every time we make a video here, we'll notify you guys. And you guys can watch it like right away. Be one of the first ones to watch Cindy's kitchen video. So anyway, look at my decals. You see my decals?
Oh yeah.
I got my decals here for Halloween. But you see the stop keeps on falling, but it's supposed to because it's Halloween. And you see my thing here. So I love you guys. Don't drink and drive. It's early in the morning. I hope nobody's having no drink. I know 10:48 in the morning. This is Central Time because we're in Texas. And then in New York should be 11, and then all the way in Cali should be 8:48 in the morning. I love you. Don't drink and drive. And see you later for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Don't forget to come back. We're gonna be carving. Don't forget to watch my next video. We're gonna be carving. We're gonna be carving him. Love you, and see you later.